Hi, I'm Sean with NVR, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the batteries in your Genie wireless keypad. Before we begin, this video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult your owner's manual for complete instructions and safety information. First, open the protective shell and locate the battery cover at the bottom of the keypad. Next, you will apply slight pressure to the cover and slide it downward, exposing the battery compartment. Now you can remove the old batteries. Please be sure to dispose of them properly. Insert the new batteries, making sure they're installed in the correct direction. After that, slide the cover back on. You can test if it worked by hitting any of the keys on the keypad, as they should light up. Close the protective shell and you're now finished. Congratulations.